why you didn't come back in the house? Come back from that block party at 12 o'clock. I told you to come back at 12 o'clock. Why I see you on the camera coming back at 2 o'clock? Those eyebrows or whatever. And yeah, so I didn't give her too much eyeshadow, so not too much in the comments. Because I know y'all like to come, baby, and not come back.
So, what's the problem?
Girl, I know you ain't talking to me.
Actually, I am talking to you because
I told you to come back in the house by 12 o'clock.
Well, I ain't doing that much talking. I'm swinging.
Okay.
First of all, I let my daughter go out. My daughter have a curfew till 3 a.m. She's 16. I don't know how old your daughter is, but your daughter is...
You didn't come back to the house until after 2 o'clock.
And?
So, where you was at?
Don't worry about it. Just know I'm here.
Where you was at?
I'm tired of you. I'm gonna go back.
Okay, bye.
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 You lame.
Okay. Yep.
Wait. Wake up.
Pull up on your thought, she gone, I'ma call that girl still. Then she gave me top and I ain't call it girl still. But I'm still.
We still Hustle Daily. What's going on, Hustle Nation? Welcome back to another video story time for y'all. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram. Appreciate y'all, love y'all for y'all support. Hey, this lady done let her 14-year-old go to a block party. Holy. Let's hear it.
Let's get my 14-year-old ready to go to this block party with her and her friends or whatever. So I started off with doing her hair first. She wanted a wig, so I gave her one of my used wigs that I had. So anyways, we're about to be done with this process. This is her hair. Oh yeah, it's cute, girl. You ate down on this. Anyways, now I'm about to start the eyebrow process. She did want makeup, but she didn't want too much makeup. So I'm like, okay, cool. Let's just throw in a little bit of eyeshadows, scrunch up those eyebrows or whatever. And yeah, so I didn't give her too much eyeshadow, so not too much in the comments. Because I know y'all like to come, baby, and not come back. Anyways, so the foundation I did have to mix up. But as y'all can see, y'all see. And that's it, period. So let's continue this process. Anyways, she did want to go. She never really been out like that with her friends. So I said, okay, let's get you cute tonight. It's Friday, why not? Let's get you cute tonight. And yeah, and this is what she's wearing. The outfit is not too much. So yeah, not too much once again in the comments. So yeah, she ate down on this look, period. You look cute, boo, period.
Hey, now I don't want no girls. God, please. And I thank you in advance for giving me a son. You are the greatest, God. I appreciate you and I thank you for everything you've done and continue to do for me. And I thank you, God, for my son. So, but at 14, what grade you in at 14? 8th grade, I think. Right? 7th or 8th grade. I don't think you were in 9th grade yet. And you putting on makeup and you wearing skirts and shit and wigs and stuff. I don't know if that's acceptable at 14. I don't know. I don't want no girl. I need some help with this. But this sound crazy. But it's another part to this, y'all. We gonna listen to it, but first of all, you ain't going to no motherfucking block party. A block party? What the fuck? What the hell? Like, you gotta be careful with them girls. You can't be letting them... I don't want no goddamn girl. Let's listen to the second part.
Y'all doing too much talking about a fucking block party. It's just a block party. I trusted her to go to the block party. Like, literally. Like, the block party wasn't even that far. She's 14. I gave her a break. That's it. 14. Like, y'all love judging people and trying to tell people how to raise their kids and do all of this. I did her makeup. I did her hair. I'm the parent. I can do what I want to do.
Ooh.
I really can. I don't even owe y'all no explanation. I'm only giving it. But I do what I want. I don't have to do what y'all want me to do. I can do what I want to do.
Ooh.
So y'all got to stop coming on here trying to tell people how to take care of their kids. Period. She's
Okay.
well fed, well taken care of. If I wanted to give her a little extra makeup, hair, all of that, I can do it.
I knew I wasn't tweaking. I knew I wasn't tweaking. A wig, a block party. First of all, block party, and then everything else gonna fall in line. We got the block party first. That's the big problem. Then you got a motherfucking wig on your head with the motherfucking makeup and shit at 14. I don't know, man. That's why I don't want no goddamn girls. I ain't about to be going through this shit right here. You trying to be too goddamn grown. You feel me? Like, the girl look goddamn, she don't look 14 no more. Did she just look 14? Like, no, hell no. It's another part to this. Hold on.
Yeah. Why you didn't come back in the house? Come back from that block party at 12 o'clock. I told you to come back at 12 o'clock. Why I see you on the camera coming back at 2 o'clock this morning?
Because I was at a block party and with my friends, and we were playing like games and stuff like that. So, what's the problem?
Girl, I know you ain't talking to me.
Actually, I am talking to you because
I told you to come back in the house by 12 o'clock. You didn't come back into the house until after 2 o'clock.
And
So, where you was at?
don't worry about it. Just know I'm here. And
Where
I
you
came back
was at?
a block party. And
You wasn't just at that black party. Where you was at?
Fine. I was at Lauren, her boyfriend house with some other friends.
You was at Lauren and her boyfriend house and other friends. What other friends? Because I told you to go to the block party.
Is that an issue? Like, literally, I'm here right now. So what's like the issue?
Yeah.
Shit. What? Oh my god, I'm whooping ass. What? Man, ain't nobody gonna play with me like that, especially not for no girl. Like, it's even worse coming from a girl. To me, it's worse. I mean, it's worse coming from both kids, but like, bro, you got a little girl talking like that, boy, I'm ripping the motherfucking wig out your head. I'm down with the ass whooping, y'all. Straight up. My son gonna get his ass beat. I ain't gonna lie to you. I got plenty of ass whoopings, and I turned out just fine. Don't I look like a stand-up young man? We got another part.
Doesn't matter. I told you to go to the party and come back. See, this is why I didn't want you to go in the first place. This is exactly the reason why I didn't want you to go in the first place. I can't even build trust with you just to even go up the street to the block party. For real?
And I can't see you there because every time I see you there, it's always an issue. That's why I gotta sneak and do it because you stay.
Girl, first of all, don't even do that. I told your ass to come back in the house by 2 o'clock. I mean, by 12 o'clock. You decide you want to come in at 2 o'clock like you grown.
12 o'clock is not enough. Like, I can do without.
So what did you do between that time?
Don't worry about it. Just know I went to a block party and Lauren, her boyfriend house. And with some other friends, we're playing some cool games and all that, having fun. Like,
What kind of girl? You about to piss me off. That's what you about to do. Because I've been having a lot of patience with you, but you about to piss me off. For real. I tell you to do one thing, you do a whole other stuff. I tell you to come back in the house by 12 o'clock, you come in at 2. Since when?
since today.
And that's why I didn't want you to go. That's exactly why I didn't want you to go. Now you can't go nowhere else now.
Says who?
And I'm gonna call Lauren and I'm gonna ask her, was you with her? That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay,
I'm gonna call her. I'm gonna call her and I'm gonna ask her and I'm gonna ask her mom, do she know that y'all went other places that y'all wasn't supposed to be going? Okay, I'm gonna get to the bottom of it.
She's not a snitch, so she won't tell you a single thing.
I'm
Good luck with that.
I'm gonna get to the bottom of it.
Good luck with that.
I'm gonna get to the bottom of it. It's cool. I'm gonna get to the bottom of it.
Okay, bye.
I'm
Get
gonna
out.
get.
Bye.
I'm gonna.
Ooh, I ain't doing that much talking. I'm swinging. I'm blacking eyes. Shit. Boink up. Wait. Boink up. Shit.
So I'm about to call Lauren mama, and I'm about to really find out what happened. She didn't think I was gonna call her. Watch me.
Okay.
I'm
Call
about
it
to see
in.
what they really talking about. Since you said you was with Lauren.
Call it in.
Aaliyah?
Hello.
Hello?
This is not Aaliyah. Put your mama on the phone.
Mom, here. Mom.
Hello?
Yes.
Hey, so I don't know if you probably know what's going on, but Aaliyah told me that when I guess Lauren was at the block party the other night, and she said that she was with Lauren and her boyfriend and a few other friends, and supposed to be with Lauren. She left here with Sasha and KJ. She wasn't supposed to be with Lauren because I don't want her hanging with Lauren. And she said that
Why she can't hang with me? And,
because you're too grown. That's why.
Hold on. I ain't trying to, hold on. No, you ain't got to talk to my daughter. You talk to me at two grown women.
Okay.
First of all, I let my daughter go out. My daughter have a curfew till 3 a.m. She's 16. I don't know how old your daughter is, but your daughter is hung out with my daughter. My daughter's 16. She has the right to go out and come back on time. So whatever going on with your daughter have nothing to do with me.
Well, I'm just letting you know that she wasn't supposed to be with Lauren, and Lauren took her to her boyfriend's house and to 3 a.m. A 16-year-old out got a curfew until 3 a.m.
Well, that's my concerns. You need to be knowing where your daughter is at and stop guessing, thinking she's with which wherever and wherever. But do not involve my daughter to y'all conflict. Talk to your daughter so you know where she's at.
Well, she said she was with. She said she was with Lauren them. I believe her because I'm pretty sure she was. If your child got a curfew till 3 o'clock in the morning and she's only 16, I can only imagine what she's out here doing.
Okay, well, that's my problem.
Stay in the child's place. Stay in the child's place. Stay in the child's place.
You just said I'm grown, so I'm gonna talk what I want to talk. Like I said, I need to ask your daughter where she was at. So you already know how old I am. I don't even know why she's hanging around with me. I already told her. She said, and how old she is anyway?
She's 14. She's 14.
Okay, she have no business. Well, she had no business hanging with a 6-year-old anyway.
Well, she's 14. Exactly. That's why I wanted her to stop hanging with her from the jump. I'm not here to argue with you. I'm just letting you know. I'm just letting you know that she said she was with whoso and whoever, and who dropped her home because but she was with you, but you didn't drop her home. So who dropped her home then? So who dropped her home? Who?
QT.
And I don't even know who that is. So maybe it was one of your little friends. Maybe it was one of your friends.
No, you need to worry about QT because that boy's 18. She's hanging around with him. Wow.
Okay,
that's sad.
No, you're sad. You're a sad parent. You're a sad parent.
Because you don't know where your daughter at.
Well, when she left here, she was with two other people, and she wasn't with her. So I know what I'm talking about. I really cannot believe this shit. Like, I cannot believe it. Like, it's ridiculous. Aaliyah. I'm just over it at this point.
Yes.
Why did you lie?
Lie about what?
Girl, why you lie so damn much?
What I lie about? Tell me.
Who brung you home? Who brung you home after the block party, Aaliyah?
My friend Lauren.
You're lying. She said QT brung you home. So why is you lying?
How did you call it all my friend? Like, you look so weird, lame for that.
Ooh.
Why did you lie about who brung you home?
Am I supposed to?
You lied. You said Lauren brung you home. You just said Lauren brung you home.
Yeah.
Lauren said QT brung you home. All you do is sit and lie. Like, stop lying. That's why you're not going nowhere else. You're banned from hanging with Lauren. You can't you can't hang with KJ no more. And you can't hang with Sasha and all of them other girls because while all the people, you go and hang back with Lauren when I already told you not to hang with that girl. That girl is up to no good. Her mama gave her a damn curfew for 3 o'clock. Who the hell have a curfew at 16 at 3 o'clock?
I don't know, but I literally came home. Like, what's the deal? Just because I lied? Because you want me to go? Like, you so lame, childish for what?
Ooh.
A little. I'm trying to have the utmost patience with you at this moment, but I'm about to.
I'm tired of you. I'm gonna go back.
Okay, bye.
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 You lame asshole.
Okay. Yep. Okay. All right.
Yo, I am beating the motherfucking skin off this little girl ass. What? You ain't about to be fast talking to me. What? You heard she just called her mama? Bro, this is crazy right here. I've never seen nothing like this a day in my life. Well, actually, you do here see something like usually the white folks let stuff like this happen. You know what I'm saying? Hey, it's the truth. You know what I'm saying? The white people let their kids get away with a little bit more. Stop it, Johnny! And Johnny still be doing the shit. She acting like man, please. Hey, listen. I believe in ass whoopings. You feel me? I believe in ass whoopings just because shit. Man, I turned out immaculate. I turned out great. You feel me? So I know they work. You know what I'm saying? You gotta be on your kids and you can't be letting them do. But this got something to do with the parents. You know what I'm saying? It's the mama just letting her get away with anything, and that's what you're gonna get. And this is what you get. You're gonna get a hot in the ass, fast ass little girl who gonna end up pregnant at when she 15. She 14 now. At this rate, she'll probably end up pregnant when she 15. You know what I'm saying? Just fast. So, but this go on the parents, man. She gotta whoop that little girl ass, boy. What? Shit, boy. It couldn't have been me, man. What? Shit. And ain't no calling no police. Ain't no calling no police. You wouldn't even be able to get to a phone. What I'm doing to you? What? Man, stop playing. But I believe ass whoopings works. I know some people don't hit their kids. I'm whooping my kids. So y'all let me know what y'all think. This was so disrespectful. This is so crazy. She called her a hoe. She called her mama a hoe. Holy. Shout out to the whole Hustle Nation, man. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. I know y'all gonna go crazy in the comments about this. You know what I'm saying? If you ever had a daughter who caused some type of problem like this, this is what you do. I'm gonna tell you what you do. You get a belt. Right? It don't really matter which belt it is, but make sure, like, when you slap it across your hand first, make sure it hurt. Prum, prum, make sure the belt work. You know what I'm saying? And then you go in the room where they at. Right? Make sure. I used to get ass whoopings in my drawers, no draws. So it could be no draws or draws. You feel me? But if it's pants, I don't know. Make sure they pants ain't on thick. And then you take that belt and you whoop they motherfucking ass. Y'all let me know what y'all think about this in the comments below. I appreciate y'all. Love y'all. It's your boy Ray, Big Play Ray, man. Peace.